Hi, I'm Kevin, CEO of Zof AI. If your company is running hundreds or thousands of tests every week, you already know how painful scaling QA can be. Multiple tools, constant maintenance, gaps in coverage. Zof is designed to simplify all that. It is one platform with every kind of test you need, powered by AI agents that specialize in functional, stress, compliance, and security testing. Zof goes beyond bug detection. It traces root causes, suggests fixes, logs issues to your PM tool, and even scores your developers and AI tools based on how they affect quality. You set the standard for what qualifies as production ready. Zof ensures your app meets it before anything ships. Less friction, more confidence, QA that scales with your team.